Bullish Theta organization cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $3.26 and $7.11 by 2030. Market investigators accept Theta could reach $3.26 by 2025. Bearish Theta organization market cost expectation for 2022 is 58 cents. Theta organization presentation. Theta's local digital currency is additionally called Theta. The symbolic powers the organization and boosts clients to share assets. There are two kinds of hubs on the Theta organization: ordinary hubs and asset-rich watchman hubs. Customary hubs procure prizes for sharing their assets, while gatekeeper hubs acquire significantly bigger compensations for confirming blocks and bundling video transfers. Theta organization. One of the critical elements of the Theta network is its utilization of edge storing. Edge reserving includes putting away frequently mentioned information nearer to the client as opposed to at an incorporated area. This lessens inactivity and works on streaming quality. By decentralizing substance conveyance, Theta can give a preferred streaming encounter over conventional CDNs. One more significant component of the Theta network is its capacity to deal with a lot of traffic with insignificant effect on the watcher experience. This is made conceivable by Theta's P2P network organizing innovation, what eliminates web blockage by conveying traffic among numerous ways all the while. How Theta functions. The principal thing to comprehend about Theta is that it's not only a video web-based stage like YouTube or Jerk, it's likewise a decentralized organization controlled by the blockchain. This implies that clients can share transmission capacity and processing assets on a P2P premise. As such, Theta is intended to be a more effective and decentralized approach to web-based video. So how can it function? The key is in the utilization of edge servers. Edge servers are fundamentally PCs that are sent at the edge of the organization, nearer to the client. By doing this, Theta can decrease dormancy and work on streaming quality, while Theta's mainnet chips away at an agreement instrument that permits clients to approve exchanges and procure rewards. The stage gives excellent streams low inertness, and clients can procure compensations for giving data transmission assets. The group behind Theta is capable and has areas of strength for a record in the crypto and blockchain industry. The advantages of Theta. So what are the advantages of utilizing Theta? First of all, Theta means to be more proficient than customary video web-based stages. By using edge servers and asset sharing, Theta can lessen both inertness and expenses. The subsequent advantage is expanded decentralization. By permitting clients to share transfer speed in registering assets, Theta makes a more decentralized network that is less helpless against restriction or assault. At long last, Theta additionally accompanies its local token, which can be utilized to buy labor and products on the stage or marked for remunerations. Theta organization current cost. Theta organization is at present worth 72 cents USD. Theta has moved 1.32% as of now with an exchanging volume of $7.911,295. Theta organization is right now positioned 46 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $725,041,094 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Theta organization to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Theta organization value expectation 2023. In 2023, Theta organization Theta cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Theta will before long outperform $1.81. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the Theta's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Theta will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.45 and a typical exchanging cost of $1.60. Theta organization value forecast 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $2.54 and Theta might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Theta is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $2.32 and a low of $2.18 in 2024. Theta organization value expectation 2025. Assuming Theta organization effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the Theta coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Theta will be green in 2025. The Theta is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $3.26, with a base cost of $2.90 and a typical cost of $3.05. Theta organization value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, We gauge the Theta cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $3.77 by 2026, with a base cost of $3.63 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Theta has a greatest value worth of $3.99. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $4.50. On the off chance that Theta figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $4.71. Neglecting to accumulate the help Theta needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $4.35. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2028. While Theta is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $5.08 and a yearly cost close above $5.44 in 2028. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Theta Organization will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $5.80 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $6.16, averaging out at $5.95. Theta Organization Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging as a troublesome errand makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme Theta cost in 2030 is projected to be $7.11 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $6.82. The ongoing Theta Organization cost depends on an examination of different variables, including specialized pointers and late market patterns. In light of our gauges, we accept that the Theta Organization coin cost will keep on ascending soon and arrive at new all-time highs. What is the Theta Organization cost today? Today, Theta Organization is exchanging at 72 cents with a complete market capitalization of $725,041,094. Is Theta Organization a wise speculation? Theta Organization ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is insightful to say that Theta is a decent decision of venture. How high might Theta at any point organize go? The typical cost of Theta Organization might perhaps reach $1.02 this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that Theta Organization might outperform $4.71. What amount will Theta Organization be worth in 5 years? In view of the rising fame of cryptographic money and Theta Organization, a drawn-out interest in Theta could see the value ascend to $4.71 inside the following 5 years. What amount will Theta Organization be worth in 10 years? On the off chance that you put resources into Theta Organization today, likewise with any speculation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of Theta might actually ascend to $8.48 inside the following 10 years. What will the Theta Organization